So I'm at the MES 4.0 International Summit in Porto, Portugal. I'm getting ready to go on stage to give my keynote here in another hour. And what I wanted to do was put down my thoughts as to what the goal is.
So we're here at Salt Lake City Airport. We're on the way to Portugal. My flight is leaving it here out of Salt Lake City on Delta to connecting through Paris, and then we're going to be flying into Portugal.
And you're starting by defining MES for the business. And your ability to scale it is a function of how many processes in your business that definition applies to.
We're here in Porto at the hotel. We have this amazing view on this balcony. This is nice, man. We got a sick view, dude. Hey guys, we're in Porto, Portugal at the MES and Industry 4 Summit. So let's go check it out. I'm Jeff Winter, your host and chair of the 2025 MES and Industry 4.0 Summit hosted by Critical Manufacturing, or as we like to call it, MESI 4.0. Now, I actually have a unique experience with this conference because our first one held in 2023, I was actually called in to be the keynote of this particular summit. And I'd never even really heard of the company back then. Fast forward to 2 years later, now I'm the head of business strategy and the host and chair of this year's summit. So I got to help shape the summit this particular year.
So the term manufacturing execution system goes all the way back to the early 1990s. The first I could find it being used was actually in 1992 by AMR Research, which is now part of Gartner, an era of floppy disks and beepers.
I'm actually giving a speech today I haven't actually given before, which is digital transformation, how to do it with unified namespace, but I'm going to do that under the umbrella of MES. And the key points that I want to cover today are: what is digital transformation? What does digital transformation look like? What is unified namespace? What does digital transformation look like with unified namespace? And do that all under the umbrella of MES. Why? It's where the business takes place. It's the hardest place to get right, and it's the place where no one's got digital. And if I'm going to be digitally transforming, I got to start in the most important place where we don't have digital, okay? Production is the only thing that matters. The conversion of raw materials and subassemblies into finished goods and putting them in customers' hands and getting paid for it. That's what manufacturing is.
I disagree with the statement that quality is just noise and not important in manufacturing, but I think he had a different meaning on that. Quality is key because imagine you deliver a product which is not fulfilling specification or is not fulfilling the requirements of the customer. It creates additional cost for the customer. And also he will maybe send it back to you and you have to rework it. It has a cost effect. Yeah.
Quality is only important if it improves production. Safety is only important if it improves production. Artificial intelligence is only important if it improves production. Digital transformation is only important if it improves production.